Hello everyone, myself Professor Y.K. Chaudhari. Today in this video we see the syllabus overview for the class TYBCom subject Advanced Accounting for annual pattern academic year 2020-21. So first we see here the course objective for this subject to impart the knowledge of various accounting concepts, to instill the knowledge about accounting procedure, methods and techniques, and last one, to acquaint them with practical approach to accounts writing by using software packages. This is the course objective for theory based subject topic as well as practical based topics. In this course we see the first part, uh, 4 units. This course we divided into 2 parts. So first part, number of units, 4 total number of unit included, that is accounting standard and financial reporting, final accounts of banking companies, insurance claim, and last one, final accounts of cooperative societies. So we studied one by one in details. First we studied here the insurance claim topic because the chapter is theoretical as well as practical based. So then after we also online mode through completed the first chapter accounting standards and financial reporting using PPT presentation, some videos and some handmade notes also provide on the platform Google Classroom. In unit number 1, the unit title Accounting Standards and Financial Reporting, Introduction to IFRS. In this unit, we brief review of Indian accounting standards. In that, Accounting Standard 3, Accounting Standard 7, Accounting Standard 12, Accounting Standard 15, Accounting Standard 17, and Accounting Standard 25. We see theoretical approach and simple practical examples of application nature, means how the accounting standards applicable for the particular things we see in the practical base also, but few simple examples we see here. Not we have in the examination the questions are advanced level of practical examples like professional courses, CA, CS, CMA. Only few simple examples we see because of only understanding how these accounting standards are applicable anywhere. In unit number 2, the unit number 2 title Final Accounts of Banking Companies. This chapter including the things introduction of banking company and the banking company legal provisions, non-performing assets, that is NPA, then reserve fund, acceptance, endorsement and other obligations, bill for collection, rebate on bill discounted, provision for bad and doubtful debts, preparation of final accounts in vertical form as per Banking Regulation Act 1949. These things we see in details in this chapter, theoretical way as well as practical way. In this unit, we preparation of final account in vertical form, that is the form A and form B. Form A is related to the balance sheet and form B is related to the income statement, that is profit and loss account. And the working notes we preparing the 16 schedules. This is a very big and lengthy problems in that chapter, and one remaining part in examination you have uh, in in short note purpose ask the question, what is core banking system, or you write the short note on core banking system. So this part we also studied under this unit, introduction to core banking system. This is the total scenario of unit number 2. After moving forward, unit number 3, the unit title insurance claim accounts. This is very easy and simple chapter for this part, insurance claim accounts. In this part we divided into three parts. First part is claim for loss of stock. In that we see introduction, procedure for calculation, then average clause, treatment of abnormal items of goods, and under and overvaluation of stock. This is the first part in this chapter. Second part, claim for loss of profit, and in that also we see the introduction, indemnity under policy, some important items related to the loss of profit, and last, procedure for ascertaining claims. So this is part 2 and last part. This part is not practical way, we only studied theoretical approach way, claim for loss of fixed assets. In that introduction, some important terms and procedure to ascertaining claims, but only procedure we see in that part. This is the total unit number 3, covering things, that is claim for loss of stock, claim for loss of profit, and claim for loss of fixed assets. This is the last unit for first part, unit number 4, final accounts of cooperative societies. We divided this unit in two parts. First part, credit cooperative societies, and second one, consumer cooperative societies. But we see both societies, meaning allocation of profit as per Maharashtra State Cooperative Societies Act 1960, preparation of final accounts of credit cooperative societies, and consumer cooperative societies as per the final account. In that we prepare trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, and form number N also we prepared in this chapter. Now we see the unit wise learning outcomes. So unit first, we learn to impart the knowledge of various accounting standards, that is accounting standard 3, accounting standard 7, accounting standard 17, accounting standard 25. This is the accounting standards we see, and to gain the knowledge about the accounting standards. Unit number 2, to instill the knowledge about final banking accounting procedure, methods, and techniques, how to solve the final banking company account problem practical way. Then unit number 3, to learn the concepts related insurance claims and how to calculate claim by loss of stock method and loss of profit method. This is the learning outcome for unit number 3 and unit number 4, to acquaint them with practical approach to cooperative final accounting. In that we see credit cooperative society and consumer cooperative societies. This is the learning outcome for the first part, total number of unit 4. So this course is very useful and uh, very easy to understand for the students. Thank you very much, students. We meet again next video.